Hello everybody and welcome to the second video of our GDPR features which will help you stay compliant with your bulk SMS marketing. So this video is on the GDPR specific reports. We have two new reports which I'm just going to show you briefly. If you go to reports here on the left hand side, you will see a GDPR report and a marketing consent report. So the GDPR report will be specifically for data access requests. So one of the requirements of GDPR is that your customers can request information that you hold about them. So this GDPR report will satisfy that request. Okay, so what it allows us to do is enter in a mobile number and get all the information that we have on this mobile number. So I'm just going to use this number here. Okay, so it basically gives us three things: the current customer status, the last 5 messages sent to this customer, and a log of the opt-in and opt-outs. So for example, this customer is currently opted out. As you can see from here, they opted out via the web, which would be stoptext.net. There's only been a couple of test messages sent to this customer. We'll also let you know if you've included the opt-out in the message and the date this was sent. At the bottom of the report is the opt-in and the opt-out log. So this customer, for example, was opted in via the import, via the website. The consent was the Easter Draw 2018, and then they opted out via SMS and also opted out again via stoptext.net. So these reports can then be this report can be exported. So if your customer wishes to get a data access, submit a data access request, and the information, whether they're opted out or opted in, this report will tell you everything, and you can export the report there. The second report is the marketing consent report. So this is a broader report giving you access to all the different types of opt-ins that you have and all the different consents that you have entered in as before when we were showing you the import. When you entered in the different types of consent that you imported your numbers with, these will all appear in this list here. So let's say if you wanted to get all the people from your in-store purchase, this will show you a report of that. You can then export that then to Excel. So that's a very quick run through of the two reports for GDPR. If you have any questions, please contact us at any time. We're available on the web chat, email, or phone at all times. Thank you.